Wondering how much a heat pump might cost for your home? You're not alone. Let's walk through 6 key factors that influence heat pump pricing. Hi there, I'm Zach Dickey, Heat Pump Product Manager at Carrier. The first factor that affects pricing is the size of your home. The size of your home impacts the cost of a heat pump as larger homes require higher capacity systems, which means bigger equipment and a higher overall cost. The second factor, the type of heat pump system. Higher efficiency models tend to cost more up front but can offer energy savings over time. If you're considering a geothermal system, just know that those typically have higher installation costs than traditional air source heat pumps, but also save you even more in the long run. Third, your local climate. Where you live plays a big role. In colder climates, you may need a more efficient unit or even supplemental heating, both of which can drive up cost. However, the development of cold climate heat pumps has made heat pumps a much more feasible option across the country. Fourth, the need for a supplemental or backup heat source. If you're in a colder climate and your home does require a backup heat source for those especially cold days, you'll need to factor in the added equipment, installation, and energy use. Number 5, the condition of existing ductwork. If your home already has ductwork, its condition matters. Ducts that are leaky, damaged, or outdated might need repairs or replacement to ensure your new system runs efficiently. Lastly is your local labor rate. Installation costs can vary by region. Higher local labor rates will increase your overall project cost. And there you have it, 6 important factors that can impact the cost of installing a heat pump. To get a personalized estimate for your home, reach out to your local Carrier expert. They'll help you find the right solution that fits your comfort needs and your budget.